This image of the Cartwheel and its companion galaxies is a composite from Webb's near-infrared camera and mid-infrared instrument, which reveals details that are difficult to see in the individual images alone. This galaxy formed as the result of a high-speed collision that occurred about 400 million years ago. The Cartwheel is composed of two rings, a bright inner ring and a colorful outer ring. Both rings expand outward from the center of the collision like shockwaves. However, despite the impact, much of the character of the large, spiral galaxy that existed before the collision remains, including its rotating arms. This leads to the spokes that inspired the name of the Cartwheel Galaxy, which are the bright red streaks seen between the inner and outer rings. These brilliant red hues, located not only throughout the Cartwheel, but also the companion spiral galaxy at the top left, are caused by glowing, hydrocarbon-rich dust. In this near and mid-infrared composite image, MIRI data are colored red while NIRCam data are colored blue, orange, and yellow. Amidst the red swirls of dust, there are many individual blue dots, which represent individual stars or pockets of star formation. NIRCam also defines the difference between the older star populations and dense dust in the core and the younger star populations outside of it. Webb's observations capture the Cartwheel in a very transitory stage. The form that the Cartwheel Galaxy will eventually take, given these two competing forces, is still a mystery. However, this snapshot provides perspective on what happened to the galaxy in the past and what it will do in the future. This image from Webb's mid-infrared instrument shows a group of galaxies, including a large distorted ring-shaped galaxy known as the Cartwheel. The Cartwheel Galaxy, located 500 million light-years away in the Sculptor constellation, is composed of a bright inner ring and an active outer ring. While this outer ring has a lot of star formation, the dusty area in between reveals many stars and star clusters. The mid-infrared light captured by MIRI reveals fine details about these dusty regions and young stars within the Cartwheel Galaxy, which are rich in hydrocarbons and other chemical compounds, as well as silicate dust, like much of the dust on Earth. Young stars, many of which are present in the bottom right of the outer ring, energize surrounding hydrocarbon dust, causing it to glow orange. On the other hand, the clearly defined dust between the core and the outer ring, which forms the spokes that inspire the galaxy's name, is mostly silicate dust. The smaller spiral galaxy to the upper left of Cartwheel displays much of the same behavior, showing a large amount of star formation. Image of the Cartwheel Galaxy, along with two smaller companion galaxies, captured by Webb's near-infrared camera, NIRCam, and mid-infrared instrument, with compass arrows, scale bar, and color key for reference. The north and east compass arrows show the orientation of the image on the sky. Note that the relationship between north and east on the sky, as seen from below, is flipped relative to direction arrows on a map of the ground, as seen from above. The scale bar is labeled in light years, which is the distance that light travels in 1 Earth year. It takes 100,000 years for light to travel a distance equal to the length of the bar. 1 light year is equal to about 5.88 trillion miles or 9.46 trillion kilometers. The field of view shown in this image is approximately 340,000 light-years across. This image shows invisible near and mid-infrared wavelengths of light that have been translated into visible light colors. The color key shows which NIRCam and MIRI filters were used when collecting the light. The color of each filter name is the visible light color used to represent the infrared light that passes through that filter.